Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about linear equation in one variable. Before we go and talk about linear equation in one variable, first let's understand what is an equation, what is meant by linear equation, and what is meant by variable. So let's look at one statement. Ramu says that he has 2 pens. And Shamu says that he has 3 pens more than Ramu. Now, how many Shamu has? He has 3 more than Ramu. So, Ramu has 2 and Shamu has 3 more than him. Shamu has 2 plus 3 pens. So, if you see here, Shamu has not expressed his quantity directly. He has expressed his quantity in relation to Ramu's number of pens, another quantity. So, a quantity which is expressed in relation to another quantity, then we call it as an expression. Now let's say that Ramu does not tell how many pens he has, but Shamu knows it, and Shamu still says that he has 3 pens more than Ramu. Now how can we express Shamu's pens? So what we do is we assume that Ramu has X pens. We don't know what is X. We are just assuming some number. Now we can say that Shamu has X plus 3 pens. So whatever Ramu has plus 3. So that whatever Ramu has is expressed using X, and this X is called as a variable. Now this expression has multiple values. X is equal to 1, then Shamu's pens would be 4. If X is equal to 2, Shamu will have 5 pens. If X is equal to 3, which means Ramu has 3 pens, then Shamu will have 6 pens. So now we have indefinite number of values because we don't know what is the value of X. So unless we know the value of X, this expression will have indefinite solutions. And so we say that expressions always have indefinite solution. But we want to know what is the definite value. In that case, what we do is we put a condition on expression. How do we put a condition on expression? We say that Shamu has 5 pens. So we have put a condition on expression, and this condition, if you see, is an equality condition. If you see here, it is equal to. So an equality condition. So when we put an equality condition on expression, what we get is equation. The moment we have an equation, it has limited values, because when is Shamu's pen equal to 5? Only under this situation, when Ramu's pens are 2. So X can have only one value in this case. X is equal to 2. And by putting a condition on an expression, we are limiting its values. So an equation has limited values, whereas an expression has unlimited values. Now we have seen what is equation, we have seen what is variable. Now let's talk about what is linear. For that, let's remember few equations which we have seen last year. We had seen equations like x plus y is equal to 13, or x square plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0, or x cube plus 1 upon x is equal to x square, or x square y plus xy is equal to 13x. All these are equations because we see on one side there is an expression and there is equality condition. So these are all equations, but these are not linear equations. Here, what separates them from a linear equation is the power of x is 2. So that is the highest power. X is appearing here, x is appearing here. In this case the power is 1, but in this case the power is 2. So highest power of variable in the equation is 2. What is the highest power in this case? It is 3. There is x square, there is 1 upon x, which means x is minus 1, and x cube. So the highest power here is 3. Here the highest power is by x. Y has only single power, but x has power of 2. So highest power is 2. So these are not linear equations. A linear equation is when the highest power of a variable is 1. So if you see here, it is 1. You see here, it is 1. So highest power in this equation, highest power of the variable is 1. And in such cases, these equations are called linear equations. This equation is a linear equation because the highest power of variable is 1. So what is linear? But why is it called a linear equation? In this case, let's say if x is 1, what would be the y's value? Y would be 12. If x is 2, what will be y's value? It will be 11. If x is 3, it will be 10. We are getting points x and y. If I plot these points on a graph paper, then I get a straight line. And that is the reason why we call it a linear equation. In this chapter, we are going to talk about linear equation, that too in one variable. So we can either have x or y or any other variable, but that will be only one variable. We are going to talk a lot about linear equations in one variable in series of videos starting now. This is not all what we have in linear equations. We have many other videos. Do watch other videos also to understand linear equations completely. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get notifications when we add a new video. Let's meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye.